Featuring an array of cordless tools with high-powered performance, this CRAFTSMAN 6-tool combo kit helps you tackle nearly any task. The drill has a powerful motor and 2-speed gearbox to adjust the speed to match the job. Delivering hefty torque, the impact driver power drives screws into treated lumber and other materials with ease, while the cordless reciprocating saw lets you easily cut through many materials. The circular saw with a 6.5-inch blade delivers 4,200 RPM to cut through the toughest materials. Variable speeds make the oscillating tool the ideal choice for plunge and flush cuts. The pivoting flashlight enhances visibility and precision in dark work settings. The 20-volt charger and max lithium batteries ensure you maintain power during extended use. And the storage bag offers the portability you need to move around to other projects. This CRAFTSMAN combo kit is the perfect blend of robust power and versatility, and it's available at Lowe's.